Hi guys, welcome back again to Natural's Growth Secret. How are you guys doing? So today's video I will be sharing with you guys this oil that I've been using. So this is my first video of the year. Hope you guys are doing great. So we are going to be making use of ginger to prepare this oil. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned, watch the video to the end and give it a like if you enjoy watching it. And if this is your first time here, you are welcome. And don't just go like that, make sure to hit that red subscribe button before you go, so that when I upload another video you will not miss it. And guys, we are going to be peeling off the ginger. You can decide to use the back or leave the back. I am just going to be peeling my own ginger back, and then it is going to be easier for me like this. I am going to then be using my grater to then grate it to make the process more easier. So if you don't have a grater, no problem, just go ahead to cut it or chop it with your knife. Voila. So this is what I will be doing. Ginger promotes hair growth. Ginger boosts blood circulation. A whole lot of amazing benefit that ginger has to your scalp. It really is very helpful for itchy scalp. It also stimulates hair growth. I absolutely love it. So the second ingredient that I will be making use of is my clove. If you have been following me for a very long time now, you know I have been using clove on my hair. It is absolutely amazing. I love it so much. So guys, I am going to be using about 2 tablespoons of cloves. I am going to be blending it. This is not an actual blender, this is a fruit blender, so I'm just going to be blending it just a little bit. I don't want it to spoil my blender. So if you have the coffee blender or the proper blender for blending seeds, I recommend you blend this a little bit smoother than mine. So this is what I'll be doing. So guys, cloves is absolutely very amazing for hair. It promotes hair growth. It adds shine to your hair. So after you are done blending, just go ahead to put everything in a pan, frying pan or a pot. You will be adding in your favorite oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'll be making use of olive oil. Go ahead to make use of coconut oil, grapeseed oil. Olive oil is absolutely very great for the hair. Any hair type can use olive oil. It penetrates to your hair shafts. It is very good. So I am going to be adding in my olive oil, and then I'm going to be going ahead to put this on a low heat for it to infuse. So the first oil is finished, which was my first olive oil. The bottle was actually very small, and then I went ahead to top it up again with more olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So I will then put this on my stove for it to infuse for about 10 to 15 minutes, just in a low heat. And after infusing, this absolutely smells great. Cloves are the aromatic flower pods of a tree. They are commonly used as spice. It is also known as Caesarium aromaticum. I hope I did not murder the name. So after infusing the oil, let it cool down. Go ahead to then strain it with a cheesecloth. So that is what I will be doing right here. Voila, your simple, effective, stimulating hair growth oil is ready. This oil is very, very potent. I am then going to be storing this oil in my old almond oil bottle. So I have a little bit of almond oil in the bottle, just a little. I am then going to be pouring my oil into the bottle, and then you can add in whatever you want to add in at this stage. I will be adding in my vitamin E oil. Go ahead to add in either essential oil or a preservative. It is not necessary, but if you have, you can use this. You can add it if you will be using it for a very long time. So this oil is very potent. Like I said, it is absolutely very effective and amazing to your scalp. You can decide to top it up with other oils of your choice. I will be using this like this. I normally use it on my scalp. I also use it in so many ways by leaving it for 13 minutes before washing it off when it is my wash day. I also use it on my scalp. It minimizes breakage. It also minimizes itchiness. So guys, that is what I normally use it for. So guys, the oil is very, very amazing, and it also smells great, and also it is going to, a little goes a long way guys. So I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead to make yours. If you enjoy it, please give this video a like, share this video, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so that when I upload a video, you will not miss it guys. Bye.